Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota RAV4, and we're going to go over how you would replace the window or reinstall your window after you said then replacing the if you took it out to replace the door lock actuator or took it out to replace your window regulator because that was worn out or broken. So you're going to take your window and you're going to lower it down in and then install the 2 bolts. So you're going to take the window, put it in at the front angle, once you get it down and below, and then you can get it in the channel and straighten it so it's level in the channel, and then we just slide it down, and then you'll see once you slide it down this bolt lines up right here, so we'll put that one in. And we tighten that, and then we have one more bolt to put in right over here, and you might put your arm in here to make sure that you can get it in there without dropping it in the bottom of the door. We got that in and tightened up. You want to put your little cover back on, and then we want to put this back into place. So just do our best to put this shield back the way it was, because we like things to be the way they came apart. And lastly, don't forget to hook your electric up to your regulator just by inserting until it clicks, because it's not fun when you get it all back together and then it doesn't work because you didn't hook up that one little bit. That's how you reinstall your window and the window regulator on your 2018 Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.